Hey coders, so today we will look at this problem number 336, Palindrome Pairs, which says, given a list of unique words, return all the pair of distinct indices I, J in the given list so that the concatenation of the two words, word I and word J, is a palindrome, right? So this is a palindrome sort of question. So if we have A, B, C, D, we need to go through whole array and check which word, if we concatenate, forms a palindrome, right? So here DCBA and ABCD I see forms a palindrome. 0 and 1 is a solution for that. So these are all the solutions which we can get. And okay, so see, the naive way will not work because as we can see, the word length is of words length, like the array's length is of 5,000. And 5,000 times 5,000 is like 25, 10 times 10 raised to power 6, right? And for each word, we need to check them too. So multiply them by 300 itself. So it's going way off the charts. So the naive way will not work most probably. So now let's go through the solution and see how we're going to achieve an optimized way of doing it. Okay, this will be our example array, which we will be solving. So the very first thing we need to do is we need to pre-process this array and form a dictionary, right? Or a hash map with individual positions as their value and the words will be their key, right? So dictionary would look something like this. So DCBA will be at the very first position, or you can say it has position 0. So here, this, these all words are just reversed, right? CBA is reversed as ABC, this, and that, right? Clear. So next thing is we need to take a individual word. We need to go word by word and we'll form the operations, right? Let's pick ABCD. So what are all the words which when concatenated with it forms a palindrome? Those words are DCBA, CBA, and DCB, of course. So the next thing is what we will do. We'll form a prefix postfix expression for the same word, say ABCD, and let's say here we have the word ABCD, right? So first of all, in the prefix we have nothing. In the postfix we have the entire word. We will check if postfix is prefix is present in our array. We say no, it is not. So we won't do anything yet. Next thing is we will check if ABCD is present inside our array. We can see it is present. And we will also check if our postfix, if our prefix is a palindrome. It is, but here's a catch. The element, right? So it must be at least one time partition for the postfix to be considered, right? Or else we will have duplicacy in it, right? We will see this further. So next thing is we'll move A to the left and we'll check if A is present. No, A is not. Is BCD present? No, it's not. Then we'll move ahead. We'll check is AB present? No, it's not. Is CD present? No, it's not. Moving ahead with ABC. Is ABC present? We find yes, ABC is there. So we'll check, right? Okay, ABC is there. So is our postfix a palindrome? Yeah, it is a palindrome. A single letter is a palindrome. Our current position, right, which was 0, and the position of this ABC, which is like 0, 1, 2, and thus add that to our answer. Okay, simple. Moving ahead, we'll check again, is our postfix inside our array? No, it's not. So it doesn't make any point. Moving ahead, we'll again check, is ABCD inside our array. Mm, yeah, it is, right? It is present. But is its position same as our current position? No, it is not. So we will count this as our answers, right? And put them in our resultant array. So here you must have gotten a little gist of what is actually happening here. In the next step, we will discuss its code and how we will implement it using Python. So let's make the preprocessed array. We are using here dictionary comprehension. So bear with me. Now we will iterate the array. Now let's make prefix and a postfix. Now we will put our first condition. Now we make another check where we check if j is greater than 0, right? This was the part where we avoid the duplicacy. And we check if the postfix, right, is, no, we made a mistake over here. It should be post. Now we check if post is in our dictionary D and the current position I definitely not equals to the position of P. Right? Now let's run some test cases. It works so far. Let's run all the test cases. Okay, cool. Now let's submit it. Okay, it's working.